Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. My name is Mahan, and with my co-founder, Sheena, and on behalf of TechEquity AI, we would love to welcome you to this important gathering tonight, focusing on AI in workforce transformation. So I would love to thank all of you to join us, and also our esteemed speakers, panelists, and moderator. And a special thanks to Abhijit Joshi, Dave Nielsen, helping us with our moderating the two panels, and also Dave helping us with the great workshops that we're going to have tonight. I also would love to thank everyone for joining us. And without further ado, I'm going to ask Chad. He's a program manager from Silicon Valley AI Hub, as our greatest sponsor, to have a few words with you about this amazing center. Thank you, Chad.
Thanks, Mahan. Thanks, Sheena. Hi, everyone. Welcome out to the Silicon Valley AI Hub, and thank you for coming to TechEquity AI's event tonight. Like Mahan said, I'm the program manager for Silicon Valley AI Hub. So we opened this hub back in September, and it's basically a place where we're creating an AI community right here in Silicon Valley. So we host about 2 to 3 events a week here, all AI related, ranging from panel discussions to workshops. We've done a few hackathons in the past as well, but each week we have a few events, mainly in the weeknight. Tomorrow we do have an event from 9:30 to 1 p.m. So we do have a Luma page. Please check out our Luma page. Feel free to subscribe to see all of our events. We'd love to see you again in the future. And then we have these 2 events coming up later in May, that one on vibe coding for women builders, and then one for Cortex Lab for Snowflake. So definitely check those out. We hope to see you again, but welcome to the Silicon Valley AI Hub, and thanks for coming out tonight.
Hi, everyone. Welcome again. In case this is the first time that you're joining our event, welcome, everyone. We are TechEquity AI. We are a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to democratize AI to bring the knowledge and applications to everyone. And we're here to build a global collaborative ecosystem, bringing corporate, startups, investors, academia, and community all together. And for the past years, we hosted 3 AI Summit in the Silicon Valley, and in the past 2 years, starting 2024, we had our first summit at the Synopsys, which was also one of our sponsors. And we had a 1-day summit at the Computer History Museum. And last year, we had a 2-day summit at the Plug and Play Tech Center. And this year, we're very excited that we're kicking off our monthly events here. So you will see us every month here at the Silicon Valley AI Hub. This is our event calendar, and feel free to scan the code and you can get to our calendar. Each month we'll be hosting our monthly events here. And today we'll be focusing on workforce transformation. And then next month we have physical AI. And we also have a 4-day summit in early November. And we would love to see you here as well. And we also rolled out our membership. If you're interested in engage with us more, it's also on our Luma page. So feel free to join the membership. We have free AI community tier where you can get unlimited free events like this one. And also we have AI members where you can get access to full recordings after the event. And also with the AI Insider that will provide you more access, including the 4 full-day summit toward the end of the year. And without further ado, I am going to introduce Dave, our technical chairs and MC for the day, and help us to pick up the nice event. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Sheena. And once again, let's just put our hands together and thank Mahan and Sheena for putting together this wonderful event. My name's Dave Nielsen. I'm the content chair, I guess you can say, for this event. And together we've put together quite a big list here of speakers. So we have a lot to get through, and I'd like to make sure we get onto it rather quickly. But just keep in mind that what we have is gosh, I lost track here, like 3 talks, 2 panels, and a workshop. So there's a lot. And the topic, of course, is really important. As you know, not only is our workforce going through transformation because of AI, but like a lot of people are going through transformations. A lot of us are wondering, what the heck is this going to look like in a year or 2, or even right now, honestly. So We've got a lot of different speakers to share their perspectives and some ideas about how we might move through this change together. So first of all, first up we have Manisha Gupta from Oracle, and she's going to give her keynote talk on unshakable clarity, accountability, and trust in the age of AI. Welcome, Manisha.